In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix fail to load activity error on your Uber driver app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you are unable to get information about your account, such as previous activity or account information, or even upcoming requests or any data related to your Uber driver app, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now, in the first method to fix this, you want to ensure you're not using any VPN on your smartphone. If you have any VPN or proxy app, turn it off or uninstall it, as this might be the reason you are experiencing this. You also want to ensure you have a stable internet connection on your phone for your app to be able to load activities on your app. But should this fail, then it's time to troubleshoot your app, and you can do so by going to settings. From settings, go down to apps. Now under apps, look for this option, manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From this, just search for your app by name, and if you tap on it, now here go to force stop. Okay, clear data, clear all cache. Okay, and now clear all data. Restart your smartphone, and now if you go to your app, everything should be up and running. If this didn't fix, then go to Google Play Store or App Store and update your app to the latest version. But should this fail, then you want to try and see if your account activities can be loaded while using the browser version. So for that, you need to use any browser such as Google Chrome, Fox, or even Brave, or any other browser that you are using to log into your account. However, if you experience the same problem using a web browser, then most likely Uber might have experienced internal server error. For that, you need to wait after some few minutes, try to log into your app or account, and now everything should be up and running. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.